We've been fishing here for like 3 hours here in the morning and not catching anything. We saw like 2 schoolies come up here on the lighthouse area, but we haven't hooked up. And all these boats out here, I don't know if it's albies or stripers, but there's a lot of guys fly fishing off of them. But I don't even see anything busting. It's a slow morning. So we're gonna call it a morning. Heading back for some breakfast. It's really damp. I'm hungry, I'm tired. Maybe got like 2.5, 3 hours of sleep. And we're gonna go rest up and be charged for tonight. See what happens.
Well, last night I tore my waders when I fell in 2 spots, but they're next to each other. So used clear flex tape and I warmed it up in the hand dryer in the bathroom and put 2 circles on the inside and on the outside, and I think it looks pretty sealed. And Brian has a hole in his waders too, so we're spending the day patching our gear, and then we're gonna go chalet later.
What are we about to do?
We're about to chalet. We're gonna go get some fish.
So yeah, we're about to go out. It's 10 something, it's starting to rain. You can see it on the windshields. It's a little wet, but about to go out, catch some fish at night. Another day 3 going out at night. And, we're using my Van Stall again. I really like this reel. I highly suggest if you have them on, you get the Van Stall if you're gonna fish hardcore and fish as much as we are. But lighthouse, we're gonna go once we're all set up, catch some fish. Let's go. Well, we made it to the water. It's a little bit rougher than it was yesterday. All right, here we go. Into the water. Yo, be careful. All right, they're here. First fish of the night. Look at him. Oh, look at him. He's got some shoulders on him. Look at that, boys. Nice chunky bass. All right, he's gone. See you later, bud. I'm on. All right, we're on again. Oh, Lord. All right, this one has a little bit more weight to him. Oh, man. All right, okay. Yeah, dude, they're nicer than yesterday. Look at that.
Nice. Let's go.
Hey, Erica, can you grab me a picture? Never mind. All right, go, bud. There we go. All right, we got the third fish on. I think he's running towards me. Come on, bud, come on. This is crazy.
I'm so happy we came. You guys want to
Nah, he's a little guy. He's a little guy. He's a little guy. Mwah. Goodbye. There we go. Oh, there's a rock. Stay away from that rock. Come on. Well, that's the smallest fish of the day. Nice little schoolie. Mwah, smooch and release. There we go, first cast over here. And we're on. Ooh, doggy. Didn't think that was gonna happen. Little schoolie striper. Not so little, actually. Just didn't fight well at all. Very nice schoolie, to be honest. Cool. Mwah. Thick boy, look how thick he is. Holy cow. That's a very nice fish. Let's get him back in the water. Ooh, okay. Savage. There we go. He's an airborne. Alright. Alright, we're packing the heat down. We're leaning back on this bad boy. Reeling up because he's running towards me. I don't know where he's going. He's in between these two rocks, so I got to pull him in. I don't want to lose him in these rocks. Oh, he's really pulling. Pulling to the right. Pulling to the left now. Nice. One treble out on the bottom here. That way I can hold them nicely. All right. There we go. Look at him, another thick boy. Still a schoolie, not a keeper, but beautiful fish nonetheless. See you later, dude.